Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm getting some light here. Alright, so today we're installing a Perrin engine cover. For those who don't know what a Perrin engine cover is, you're about to find out. No performance added to it. It's exactly as it sounds. It's an engine cover. For those who have the 2.5 boxer engine and I think it started in 2002? No, 2003. Forgive me if my facts are wrong, but 2.5 liter boxer engine started a while ago. That is Subaru's main thing. So here it is. Perrin engine cover. Oh yeah. So just as the previous video, I got all these parts from Stage Motorsports. So I contacted Perrin. They have a hookup with them. So if you got a Subaru, hit up Stage Motorsports. They'll help you out. I got an engine cover. That is for sure going to be going on. So WRX STI belt cover. Comes with all the brackets, screws, and Allen keys. And there it is. It is just a engine cover. 100% for looks, just to make everything look better. So there's not much to it. I mean, you put in these brackets, you screw in a couple bolts, and there you go. Quick and easy. Makes your engine bay look a little better if you go to car shows and everything. So let's get to installation. Alright guys, step one here. If you already have an engine cover, as you can see here, I have one, or I should say belt cover, you need to remove it. So I have one right here, and it's a 10 mil. I don't think there's a bolt on the back. Oh, there is. Alright, so it's going to be kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'm going to get that uninstalled really quick, and I'll be back. Alright, so I got the old one off. That one was just one bolt. And I had a little thing right here. So this one really just pops on. So it's gonna be sitting like this, but I don't know if you can tell, but there is a gap. And that is what those guys are for right there. Those little spacers. So basically it's going to sit like this, so it's not laying on your alternator. So plop that right there. Alright. Grab all of this stuff. This is horrible control of all these parts. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, there's one. And then there's two. So you want to take one of these guys, place it right underneath there. So I'm going to do that really quick, get it installed. Alright you guys, so I don't know if you noticed, but I ran into a quick problem. So as you can see, this little rubber garment gasket thing, whatever you want to call it, it's in the way. So if you previously had that belt cover, more than likely came with that, because as you can see right here, that just clips into that. So you need to get that out. Otherwise you cannot place the bolt underneath it because the screw is not long enough. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that now and continue with the installation process. Alright, I finally got it all installed guys. So few problems that I ran into. These, let's see if you can see them. Those little spacers, don't drop them. Do not drop them in here. It is a pain in the butt to get those out. Another thing, these spacers right here, right? So in the bag it comes with 3, and that might seem a little odd. It seemed a little odd to me at first too, until I started to try and install it. This left side does not have a spacer on the bottom because this bracket already has the bolt. So the bolt is welded to the bracket, because this side, you can't really see, is not. So spacer right here, spacer on the bottom on the right side, 1 spacer right here, and that is it. Be careful, do not drop it, and take your time. But anyway guys, that is it for the Perrin belt cover installation. Easy install, just makes it look a little more clean. Anyway guys, stay tuned. This is number 2 of everything that I got from Stage Motorsports. So first one was the Cobb access port, Perrin engine cover, and subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.